Hi guys, welcome back. So today, well, we're gonna be letting my husband do my makeup since I did his last time. And I'm gonna try not to give him any direction, but I mean, I might give him a little bit, but we're just gonna keep it fun and interesting because, you know, he doesn't know much, so.
There's so much stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are these all? 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 35. 35 is 70. That's 35. It's 105. You said you wanted to keep it simple. You gave me 105 options. You know I'm gonna paint you up like my dream girl. Oh God, it feels like I have 105 options. We're gonna this one.
You like this one?
Yeah.
This is my favorite one.
Yeah, the Fern Gully one.
Yeah, this one.
We're gonna start with this shit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and this just goes on your face.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You ready?
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna start by doing that.
Oh God.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the best
All right.
sunken in primer I've ever done.
Was this not supposed to be rubbed in?
Yes.
Yeah. So that's all right. So we're good. So we don't need this anymore.
Oh, don't throw it away.
Okay. All right. All right. Fair enough.
I use that.
Hang on. I was unclear about the rules.
Still throw shit.
Okay.
What
I don't need this.
What comes after that?
This. Right here. This is a liquid foundation. And what you do is you take the stick and you just sort of slather it on. Boop. All right. Then we just.
No, there's tools.
We're gonna use this sponge.
Okay.
Okay. So now I want this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You gotta tap it.
Oh yeah.
Oh my
Oh, fuck my life.
God. A little bit. Looks like you're making bread in your eye.
Help!
I'm trying to.
Really worth listening. Fuck!
Now we got a bronze.
I can't open it.
Okay. And I just use my hands or any of these.
So I did kind of like face brushes, and then, I mean, you could kind of tell which one I might use.
This one.
Nope.
This one. Now you're getting both.
Oh God. Oh babe. Okay. Yep.
Okay.
We're going in with the bronzing today, I guess.
That's like hardly doing anything. Let's try this color.
Oh God.
Okay, so we're done bronzing, I think.
Yeah, if you feel you've done a good job.
I don't know. I have no idea what's happening right now. It's brow gel. So it's brow gel. And this is a brow pencil. Okay, cool. Is this like middle school? Like you have to twist it? Oh, so you can switch hit with this shit.
Oh my God.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. You know you're getting thin 90s brows.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. And then you just
follow the shape or find an arch or...
Dude.
Yeah, you gotta be careful, babe. It's thin.
we want them symmetrical is the biggest
I
thing,
mean,
right?
sisters.
But not twins.
See, you know some stuff.
Right? Okay. Cool. These guys might be cousins. Alright.
You happy with those?
I am very happy with those.
Are you?
Are you?
I
mean, we gotta fill them in now, right? We gotta fill them in. And we use this.
If you want to fill them in with that, you also can just fill them in with a pencil if you want. It's up to you,
Nope.
dude.
Okay, you want to make sure to really fill up your brush. Get some paint on there. Okay? And then cut across. See, you got all those colors in there. Just
Fucking
Do
Bob
it.
Ross up in this
You cut
bitch.
across. There's not even enough. All right, so I think we're done with the eyebrows.
Yeah, you happy with those?
This one looks terrible, but I'm cool with it. It's pretty fucking badass, dude. So we've got 35 options because Amber wanted to make it simple. Hang on, the names play a role. Okay, are you footed?
What?
F-O-T-D, man. I just foughted. I fucking F-O-T-D. Okay, cool. I know what we're doing. We're doing one of the ones that you've never touched. Perfect.
Ooh, we're going for the fucking dark purple.
That's right.
Love it.
Nothing says the sunset of your eyes like that color into this color. Go ahead and pop and post. That's really beautiful. Okay,
You like where this is going?
I do,
Alright.
but we're not done.
Okay. What's
Okay.
next?
So we're gonna use this same brush with all the other colors on it. And then we'll pick up some of this stripper dust.
That's perfect.
I think that I'm done with this.
Are you done with the eyeshadow?
I would assume.
You're happy with the eyes?
I'm thrilled with them. We need some blush.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got
Okay.
a little goes.
Little goes a long way,
Yeah.
everybody.
Mhm.
So just be real careful.
Yeah, we're gonna. Yeah, this is gonna be great.
Go like this. So this is like a fountain pen of eyeliner. This is like the fancy Sharpie, the one that everybody used to steal from
Fine
you.
tip.
Yeah. There's like a spring in there.
Yeah.
That's the coolest thing that's ever happened. Yeah. Oh, I gotta clean that up.
With the spoolie.
Yeah, you get the spoolie.
There's your makeup wipe over there.
Nah, I don't need that.
Yeah.
Now, obviously, you would start your eyeliner right here. Dude, that is a surprisingly straight set of lines. I'm really proud of those. Wow, I did a fucking awesome job.
Yeah, dope.
Oh, whoops.
Things you never say while you're doing another person's makeup.
I'm not gonna make up white, man. I got so much
Well-
eyeshadow on there.
Listen, the spoolie doesn't work like it does with
We'll work around it.
mascara,
We'll
with eyeliner.
we'll work around it. There we go. Okay, look at me.
I felt it underneath and I was like, yeah.
So we gotta get the spoolie.
That spoolie's not gonna help, babe.
We don't even need the spoolie.
Just stop fucking throwing the shit.
We'll come back to it then. Because it looks, I mean, it's fine. Next, I'm gonna use mascara.
Do you want me to curl them
Nope.
for you? You're gonna curl them.
Yes, right? Like this? Or like this? Do we do the bottoms?
Nope. No.
Okay.
We sure don't.
That's mascara, huh?
No.
No.
This is
Mascara's right here. We need more. What? It's pink, man. It's champagne colored, and this is
No,
black.
Don't do that. Swirl
Okay.
it. Don't pump it. Swirl it. If you pump air into it, it dries it out. There's bacteria in there.
You know, I've heard that. We're gonna highlight, which is okay. This guy.
We're gonna be fucking beaming.
Okay.
He dipped into that much.
Okay. Do me a favor and cut. Okay. All right. Okay. I mean, and that's that, really.
Would you like to put some lipstick on?
Oh, fuck yes. So, and then this just goes on like in the shape of lips.
Uh-huh.
But you want to do like a little X right there, right? You want to give me them lips? And you just put it on. That's pretty good.
Do you like it?
That's pretty, I like it.
Would you talk to me right now if I were just out at a bar?
I would never pass up the opportunity to talk to you.
No. If I was not your wife and you were single and you were out at the bar and you saw me looking like this, would you come and want to buy me a drink?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
You done?
I don't know, am I?
So, yeah.
Right?
Those are all the things that I do. So
Okay, that's not true.
the setting
We
spray.
need setting spray.
Yep.
Okay? So go ahead. We're gonna glam you up, girl. Wait.
You want to use some glitter?
We forgot about the glitter.
Also, just straight up glitter too.
So we've got silver, silver, and silver. Alright, so we're gonna put some glitter. Oh, honey. Ooh. Doing me dirty. Now.
Now setting spray?
Yes.
Fuck.
I think you're done.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
I think you're done.
Is this it? Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
Are you proud? Should
If
I give
I-
some looks before I look?
Well, yeah. I'm gonna come.
Yeah, you did
I'm gonna
all
come
the
bring the
things.
camera to you.
Oh, okay. Great. I feel beautiful.
Oh, you don't even know.
I have no idea.
Yeah, you don't even know.
Are you ready? Do you like it? Are you happy with it?
I think you look great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
Did you see I did your eyes like a Colorado sunset?
Like, oh man. I thought you were gonna give me some fucking 90s brows. What are these?
It was a killer.
Look at that. It's like downtown Denver skyline in the sunset. You did so good. Dude, what the gorgeous. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.